This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Catherine Turner. Ready immediately. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is sure to please. House has been freshly painted and sellers are in the process of replacing carpeting in each bedroom. Other selling points include stainless steel appliances, 2-car garage, huge screened lanai, fenced backyard, and a desirable location with great access to schools, shopping, and airport. At this price point, it will not last long, so book your showing appointment ASAP. For more information, review the details below or contact Catherine Turner at 954-693-0100.